Incorporated in 1985, Powerweld started as a manufacturer of the SMAW electrode that offers the highest quality. Due to our comprehensive service and solutions, Leeden Powerweld grew to become Malaysia's top reputable manufacturer and distributor of welding consumables and leads the industries in excellence. Powerweld is committed to provide the highest quality products and reliable service to customers by constantly developing innovative ways and extensive R&D to meet every customer's needs.
Welcome to episode 1, Generations Family Business Podcast. I'm Jess, and my guest today is Elaine, the sales representative at Leeden Powerweld, a third generations family-owned business that produces welding electrodes based in Malaysia. The business started in 1985 by his grandfather, and now it's Elaine's dad who manages and is the director of the company. Hi Elaine, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. We would like to get some insight from your point of view of family business and provide some tools to our audience how they can prepare for the generations of family business. So Elaine, could you share with us what Leeden Powerweld business model is?
Generally, Leeden Powerweld business is like focused on electrodes that you mentioned just now, like electrodes, wire, and TIG rod. So generally, it's like focusing on welding.
Okay. So is there any service that Leeden Powerweld offer? Like
no. Yeah, we just selling electrodes, wire and TIG rod service. So it's just like a B2B customer model. Yeah, business model.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. What market do you guys serve? Like market?
For Leeden Powerweld, generally we are serving like those dealer market because as you know, like market dealer, end user and retail. But for Leeden Powerweld, we are selling our products generally to dealer market.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. So how was Leeden Powerweld founded? Could you share with us some story about it?
Yes. Okay. So Leeden Powerweld was founded with my grandfather. Like I think he bought over from someone at the age, I think was my grandfather at the age of 58. Yeah. So I was so small that time, so I was like only a bit of story for the founders.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's founded by your grandfather, right?
Yes.
So,
but generally, my grandpa bought this factory from someone else. Then after that, he to like do this business.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. So now, what generations is currently in your family business? Is it second generation or third generation?
Third generation.
Is considered third generation. Okay,
Yeah.
That's cool. So did your family members or parents work for the company as well?
Yes, all my aunties worked at Leeden Powerweld as well, and now for our third generation, my cousin, we also work in Leeden Powerweld.
Oh, okay. So I heard is your dad is currently the director of the company, right?
Yes, he is.
So your auntie is mostly manage the which department, like what kind of like positions they are? Yeah.
Three aunties. One of them are in charge of sales, another in charge of accounts, and another in charge of purchasing.
That's so nice. Like everyone have like different positions in like the company, right? Oh,
Yes.
that's interesting. Okay, so what is your role in the family business?
Okay, to be honest with you, because I just quit my job in Singapore and I just came back to join my dad's family first like 2 months ago. So now my position is just a sales admin. Yeah.
Okay. It's still good. So what motivates you to join the company, the family business?
No matter what, it's still a family business, right? So at the end, my dad still want me to come back and help him. Yeah. So I think he hope one day can pass on to fourth generation and fifth generation. Yeah, that's what he wants.
Oh, that's interesting. So is there any difference that you work in the previous company and now you're working in your family business, right? Is there any difference like culture working in another company and your company?
You mean like my previous company in Singapore?
Yeah. Is there any difference?
It is. Yeah. Because in Singapore, everything you have to be fast. Everything have to be fast paced. But in Leeden Powerweld, as you know, Malacca, kind of like kampong. So and in Singapore we are called like something like a HQ headquarter company, and we have like a lot of subsidiary in many countries like Indonesia, Thailand, China. So the market is bigger than Leeden Powerweld. So yeah, the job scope is also bigger. So that's the difference.
Yeah, I think also great that you have working experience in the other company before joining in your family business, right? Like,
yes, that's what. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, okay. So currently you're working in your family business, and in your opinion, Elaine, what are the thoughts you have for your family values and how do they contribute to the family business success? Like characteristics, like values, family values. What are the family values that contributes to your family business?
I think compared to other business and this family business, because I was like working in the previous company as like a worker, but now I'm come back to join my family business. To be honest, at the start you will feel like very stressed because you have to work with your family members and you know their characteristic, so it's not easy, to be honest. Yeah, it's not easy. And because you know each other very well, sometimes you don't know whether you are working environment or you are in the home environment. So I think the thing you have to differentiate is like now you are in working, so you have to differentiate. Okay, now you're working, so you have to treat my auntie. I have to treat my dad as a director. I can't treat my dad in the office. Yeah, so their own value as like we, the generation, we joining our family business, so we have to know our own self, our stand. Yeah, other that we can work together as a team with others. Yeah. If not, then other workers will feel that okay, so you are daughter of this director, so maybe you don't need to do so much work or anything, So you have to put your own stand as you are a worker, but you are not a daughter of Leeden Power director. Yeah. So I think that's the value.
Okay, so currently you're working in your family business, right? Do you face any like challenge, like what you mentioned just now, right? You facing with like conflicts or like differentiation?
Yes.
What kind of like biggest challenges, like when you enter or like after for so long, do you face any challenges in your business, in the family business?
Just at the start when I start working for the first few weeks. Yeah, because my dad kind of worried that my existence, because I just came back from Singapore, that just now because I'm a daughter of the director, so like he afraid that my existence will make his worker to maybe resign or anything.
Oh, okay.
So far till now, I think everything seems normal. Yeah. So as I mentioned again, you have to put yourself, like, you have to know what is your stand, and you have to know what is your job scope, and you have to work for it. That's it. Yeah.
That's very interesting to hear the challenge that you face in the business. Okay,
Yes.
so how do you overcome it? Like what you mentioned.
I just learn whatever they say. So I just follow the procedure, the work procedure that they started with. Yeah. So I don't give any suggestion, to be honest.
You don't voice out too much, is it?
Yeah, because they already work with my dad for like 9 years and 10 years.
Okay.
So I don't dare to change anything, policy or procedure, even though I work from Singapore, which is like more systematic than the company now. But I will just like follow what they do, like the daily operation, So what they want me to do, then I will just do it. What they want me to learn, then I will just learn. Yeah.
Okay. Do you face any policy that in the future, if you have become a director, then you wanted to change? Is there something really things that you wanted to change in the future?
To be honest, no, because my dad's still the director of the company, so I never think that far yet. So I'll like some to my dad, no.
Because I heard some people, some of the old generations who work in the family business, right? They feel like too systematic. Maybe in the future they want to be more like more open, more free to work.
That will be for me, because I think if for future, I want my dad company to be more systematic, like my previous Singapore company.
Is it benefit to be in systematic? Like the work, is it like more strict?
Yes. If a work you have more systematic and procedure, so if anyone goes wrong, then you know which part is wrong, then you can know what the problem is, and you can give the solution very fast. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. That's interesting. Okay.
Yes.
So, do you face any conflicts or trustworthy problems among the family members in the family business?
For now, no. Yeah.
For now. Okay.
Yes.
If future have, how would you overcome it?
I think we have to have if I have a trust issue with my family members in the work environment, I think I have a heart-to-heart talk with them, because it's not, family and work so different. So yeah, I think I will go for that option.
Okay. Yeah.
And have a open discussion or open communication, I think would be great.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it comes to trust issue.
Yeah, that's true. I also think that's a very great idea to overcome the conflicts. Okay,
yes.
So, okay. Do you wait? So who are the primary competitors in your market currently? Is there any competitors for your business?
Yes, of course we have. We have a lot of competitors outside, because for welding, right, market is already like coming up with like something like a laser welding machine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You don't need any technician to like hands-on to do the welding stuff. Yeah, so I think for future that will be our competitor.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So a tricky question for you. If you have kids in the future, do you want your kids to work in the business, or would you prefer leaving up to them?
I think I would just depends. If they like, then they can. If they have passion on this family business, then they can continue, of course. But if they need passion, I won't force them.
Oh, okay. So you won't force them, so it means that you will prefer them to choose whether if they are passionate, right? If they're passionate and enjoy it.
Yes. But if you don't have any passion, then no point you leaving for them, right? You pass the business for them, and now your company will go bankrupt.
Oh, okay. Because if example right now your family have like your dad is passing to third generations, right? If fourth, fifth generations they don't want, then how? Right? You also gonna sell it or?
Maybe sell it to other company, or maybe I'm not sure. Maybe my sister kids would want it to heritage this. Maybe I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is, I think I won't force them. Yeah, like cause for me, my dad also never forced me to come back, like to help him. He just gave me an option. If you want to come back, then we have a like a position for you. But if you want to continue to work in Singapore, you still can.
Oh, so there is no force for you to join this company.
Yes, to join to come back to take over my doesn't like fully take over, but I'm still learning stage now. Yeah, but he doesn't force me. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any future plans for future upcoming plans for this business? How are you gonna continue? Are you gonna continue to work in this company or like
Yes, I will continue to work in this company, but for future plans, for now I don't have any plan yet. Yeah, because I just follow my dad instruction, and I'm just trying this company for 2 months. So I will just learn whatever they want me to do, and they ask me to do. Yeah, to avoid more
okay. Yeah. Understand that. Yeah. Okay. So what advice do you have for people who are growing up in a family business or parents who raise their kids in the context for family business? What advice you could give them?
If you can, then you have to come back and take over your family business, because your parents work very hard, for the business, but it also depends on your passion. So the advice is, if you can, then you just come back and help. But if you don't have any passion, then maybe you can discuss with your family members, to see whether this business have to continue going on, or or other choices.
Okay. All right. Thank you for your sharing. We really appreciate and we learn so much from you. And we hope to meet you soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.